How to change pitch on Soundation. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change pitch on Soundation. So how do you go about it? The first step is for you to log into your Soundation account, then open the project with the audio whose pitch you would like to change. So once you've opened the project and you are on the project page, the next step is for you to go ahead to select the audio whose pitch you would like to change. You just left click on it this way. And then by doing that, you can see a list of options displayed, which includes rename clip, reverse clip, mute, auto stretch, stretch mode. So ensure you click on stretch mode. By clicking on stretch mode, you can see the two options there, which includes time stretch and then pitch stretch. So click on pitch stretch, and then from there you can now go ahead to reduce the pitch of this particular audio. All right. So once you've selected your pitch stretch, next step would be for you to drag the audio to fit the pitch tempo that you're looking for. Now, another way to do this is by going to the top part of the screen where you can see the pitch icon, the stretch icon, sorry. Then you can go ahead and select pitch stretch as well. Then by selecting pitch stretch, go ahead and drag this particular song to fit the pitch stretch that you want it to meet, that is the song tempo. So that is how it works. Thank you for watching and have a good day.